The introduction to the fascinating world of animal facts serves as a gateway into the awe-inspiring and diverse realm of the animal kingdom, emphasizing the abundance of extraordinary facts and characteristics that animals possess. This concept embraces the intricate details of animal behavior, biology, and evolution, underscoring the uniqueness and ingenuity of animal species across the globe. By exploring these incredible facts, we gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and the myriad of life forms with whom we share our planet. The significance of this point lies in its ability to spark curiosity and wonder about the natural world, encouraging appreciation and respect for biodiversity. It is through these astonishing facts that people become more engaged with wildlife conservation efforts and the preservation of ecosystems. For instance, the fact that certain species of frogs can survive being frozen solid during winter and then thaw out in the spring showcases nature's resilience and adaptability. Similarly, the mutualistic relationship between the clownfish and sea anemone exemplifies the intricate interconnectedness within ecosystems, where both species benefit from living together in a symbiotic arrangement. From a broader perspective, incredible animal facts can be powerful tools for education and raising awareness about conservation efforts. They can inspire future generations to study biology, zoology, and environmental science, driving forward innovation and preservation. However, there are potential challenges to consider. Critics might argue that focusing on extraordinary animal facts can sometimes overshadow pressing conservation issues, creating an imbalanced view that distracts from the critical challenges many species face today. Others may feel that anthropomorphizing animals through these facts oversimplifies complex behaviors, leading to misconceptions. Nevertheless, introducing audiences to the world of animal facts undeniably influences their perspective on other aspects of the main topic, such as biodiversity, conservation, and the ethical treatment of animals. This sense of wonder can lead to a more profound commitment to environmental sustainability, as understanding the intricacies of animal life fosters a desire to protect Earth's diverse species. Overall, by delving into the fascinating world of animal facts, we enrich our understanding and connection to nature, ultimately highlighting the compelling need to respect and safeguard the myriad of life forms sharing our planet. This serves not only as an eye-opener to the marvels of biology, but also as a call to action for protecting animals and their habitats for generations to come. Adaptations in nature refer to the distinct and specialized traits or behaviors that animals have developed over time to survive and thrive in their specific environments. These adaptations can be structural, behavioral, or physiological and are a result of evolutionary processes that enhance an animal's ability to cope with challenges such as predation, climate, food scarcity, and habitat changes. The significance of unique adaptations is profound, as they showcase the incredible ingenuity of life and the myriad ways in which creatures adjust to the trials of nature. Take, for instance, the deep-sea anglerfish, which dwells in the lightless abyss of the ocean. The female anglerfish has developed a bioluminescent lure that protrudes from its forehead, used to attract prey in the inky darkness. This adaptation not only exemplifies survival through innovation, but also highlights the remarkable ability of life to persist in even the most inhospitable environments. Another fascinating example is the alpine snow leopard, which has evolved powerful hind legs for leaping across rocky terrains and a thick, insulated coat for retaining warmth in icy habitats. Both creatures illustrate how specific adaptations are vital for survival in extreme conditions. The idea of unique adaptations is often supported by the Darwinian theory of natural selection, which posits that traits enhancing survival are passed down through generations, resulting in the diverse array of life we see today. However, some may argue that attributing these complex traits solely to evolution overlooks other factors, such as genetic drift or the potential for undiscovered forces at play. Moreover, the rapid environmental changes induced by human activity pose significant challenges to these adaptations, often threatening species that cannot adjust swiftly enough. In the context of incredible animal facts, these adaptations are central, bridging the gap between the raw beauty of nature and the scientific pursuits aiming to understand it. They also underscore the interconnectedness of life, as adaptations not only affect individual species, but also have ripple effects on ecosystems and biodiversity as a whole. The study of unique adaptations not only deepens our appreciation of the natural world, but also informs conservation efforts aimed at preserving species that possess these astonishing capabilities. In essence, these adaptations reveal the resilience and versatility of life, inspiring us to marvel at and protect the planet's incredible biodiversity. Remarkable animal intelligence and behavior is a concept that explores the cognitive abilities and complex behaviors exhibited by various animal species, demonstrating their ability to learn, solve problems, communicate, and even use tools. This insight challenges the traditional view of animals as creatures driven solely by instinct, highlighting their capacity for thought and emotions in ways previously presumed to be exclusive to humans. Understanding this facet of the animal kingdom is significant because it emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life forms and encourages a reevaluation of how humans perceive and interact with other species. One notable example of animal intelligence is found in dolphins, which have been observed using sponges as tools to protect their snouts while foraging on the seabed. This ability to use tools is not only a sign of intelligence, but also suggests a level of cultural transmission, as this behavior is passed down through generations. Similarly, New Caledonian crows have demonstrated the ability to craft and use tools to extract insects from tree bark, showcasing problem-solving skills and the ability to plan ahead. In support of the idea of remarkable animal intelligence, many scientists and researchers argue that these behaviors indicate a level of sentience and emotional depth. Renowned primatologist Jane Goodall famously documented chimpanzees' use of tools and complex social structures, sparking a broader acceptance of the idea that intelligence is not exclusive to humans. However, some skeptics argue that attributing human-like intelligence to animals can lead to anthropomorphism, which may lead to misinterpretation of animal behavior. These critics suggest caution in how these observations are used to make assumptions about animals' cognitive worlds. Despite differing opinions, the study of animal intelligence impacts conservation efforts, emphasizing the need for ethical considerations in how animals are treated, both in the wild and in captivity. Recognizing the intelligence of animals fosters a deeper respect and a call for stronger protective measures, influencing policies and public attitudes towards endangered species and habitat conservation. Furthermore, understanding animal behavior can lead to advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, where concepts like swarm intelligence and autonomous problem-solving are inspired by these natural phenomena. In conclusion, remarkable animal intelligence and behavior not only enriches our understanding of the animal kingdom, but also influences various aspects of human knowledge and ethical perspectives. Acknowledging these qualities in animals enhances the broader discussion of biodiversity and the responsibility humans have in preserving the intricate web of life on Earth. Extraordinary physical abilities refers to the unique and often surprising capabilities that certain animals possess, enabling them to perform feats that defy human logic or understanding. These abilities are not just fascinating curiosities, they are crucial adaptations that allow animals to survive and thrive in diverse environments. The significance of this point lies in its ability to highlight the astonishing diversity of life on our planet and the myriad ways in which animals have evolved to overcome challenges in their natural habitats. Take, for example, the mantis shrimp, which possesses a punch that can accelerate as fast as a bullet from a gun. This incredible speed and power can shatter glass aquarium walls and makes it an effective predator in underwater environments. The mantis shrimp's physical prowess highlights the remarkable evolutionary paths different species can take to adapt to their ecological niches. Another fascinating example is the ability of certain species of frogs to survive being frozen. The wood frog in North America, for instance, can survive having its body frozen solid during winter. It produces a sort of natural antifreeze in its cells, allowing it to thaw and continue its life once temperatures rise. This adaptation provides insights into resilience strategies that might inspire innovations in technology and medicine, such as cryopreservation and organ transplants. Supporters of the study of extraordinary physical abilities in animals argue that these traits not only awe and inspire, but can also lead to breakthroughs in human technology and medicine. Biomimicry, the practice of adapting solutions from nature to solve human problems, often draws directly from examples of these animal abilities. However, studying these phenomena also presents challenges, such as the ethical considerations of disrupting or harming wildlife during research. Additionally, skeptics might point out that while these abilities are impressive, they should not overshadow the importance of conserving entire ecosystems to protect the delicate balance of nature. This concept influences other aspects of the main topics such as behavioral sciences, ecological interactions, and conservation efforts. Understanding extraordinary physical abilities can offer deeper insights into animal behavior and their roles within ecosystems. By appreciating how animals achieve such feats, we can better understand the pressures they face from environmental changes and human activities. This, in turn, advocates for a more holistic approach to conservation, emphasizing not just the survival of individual species, but the preservation of the intricate web of life in which they participate.